on a different adventure today. It's going to be ice racing. It should be pretty interesting. It's Harley's on Ice. You'll hear more about it when we show up. Got real crazy. They're fucking doing wheelies on ice. Come on, what more do you want from a day like today?
Good morning and welcome back, everybody. So yesterday, I got the wiring done. I got power in the car. I just tested some window switches before, not so good. But today, I'm feeling artistic. Hey, you match. Look at that. You match the car. Same color. Today's video is a little different. We are cleaning the engine bay right now. Solstice. Pontiac Solstice. It's got the Ecotec engine, rear-wheel drive car, nice little roadster. It's my stepmom's car. She's had it for almost 10 years. Tim needs some because me and your dad are terrible
Well,
at.
I want you to vlog that thing where it says subscribe.
Today we're checking out the updates on the wagon, taking it out for a ride, breaking it loose, but shaking it up.
Yeah, that's a little nerve-wracking. There's so much stuff on it in the last little while that like everything's new, so you're kind of scared of everything. The car hasn't really been driving in a whole year, so it's a little sketchy. But yeah, pretty excited about it.
Race work, right?
I don't know. We'll find out.
Action, action.
Okay, so that's the test piece.
Yeah, it's just a test.
Well, that's pretty wise. I would have straight burned a hole right through it.
Well, keep filming. You're going to see the vertical.
Speak loud and clear. What are you doing here?
I want you to turn the camera off.
Focus. Now, it's been a long while since you guys have seen the Chevy 2. We got an update on the wagon, so today we're checking out what's been done to this beast.
So mission complete. Job is done. You have anything to add before you drive away with this lovely makeover you've done?
No, well, I'm very happy I came here and got your help.
No problem.
It went super well.